Ever wonder how to earn money with ease and enjoyment? The digital age has opened up a myriad of opportunities to earn money online. Imagine a platform where you can earn simply by watching videos. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's where PixelPointTV comes in. It's a platform that's as straightforward as it sounds, offering a fun, simple, and convenient way to boost your income. Let's dive into the world of PixelPointTV and see how it works. Here's the deal with PixelPointTV. It's a platform that offers a straightforward, exciting way to earn some extra cash, simply by watching videos. Think about it. You're already watching videos online, why not get paid for it? The process is simple. After signing up, you'll gain access to the member dashboard where you can start earning. You don't just watch any videos, no. You watch videos with ads, and that's where the points come in. Every time you finish watching a video, you're rewarded with points. The more videos you watch, the more points you earn. And these points? They're your ticket to a nice little payout. What's even better is PixelPointTV's reach. It's available worldwide, making it an opportunity for anyone, anywhere. So whether you're from Sydney, San Francisco, or Stockholm, you can join in on the fun. Now, isn't that a fun and easy way to earn? Don't just take our word for it, hear from successful users. Let's start with Jane from New York. She was skeptical at first, but after a month of using PixelPointTV, she was amazed to find an extra $200 in her account. Then there's Mark from Sydney, who turned to PixelPointTV during his summer break. In just 3 months, he earned enough to fund a backpacking trip through Europe. We also have Lisa from London, who thought earning money by watching videos was too good to be true. But now, she's a believer, with an additional $500 each month, just from using PixelPointTV. Across the globe from Tokyo to Toronto, thousands of users are discovering the simplicity and the benefits of PixelPointTV. They are not just watching videos, they are earning real money. As you can see, PixelPointTV is a proven platform for easy earning. Ready to join the PixelPointTV community? Get started today and discover the simplicity of earning by watching videos. Remember, every ad watched adds points to your account, paving a seamless path to rewards. No matter where you are in the world, you can be part of this exciting opportunity. So why wait? Time's ticking, and your potential earnings are just a click away. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting ways to earn online. See you on PixelPointTV.